Hello students, this is the day 1 video for Alga 6. Okay, so everyone, let's start from unit 4, personal narratives fiction. Okay, so in this video firstly we will learn phonics. Okay children, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn phonics, in which firstly we will talk about vowels. Okay, so please listen to me very carefully what I am saying. Okay, say children, vowels. There are few vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Again, A, E, I, O, U. A, 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 E, A, E, A. I, E, I, E. O, 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 O. U, U, Children, these are the sounds of vowels. So everyone, you also note down these vowels in your notebook and try to speak properly, right, by using sounds. Children, now we will learn about magic E. Now you all are thinking, what is magic E? So I am going to tell you children. Please listen to me very carefully, right? Firstly, I want to say, please read this word by using sounds, okay? Mad. Mad. What is this? Mad. Okay? Now children, what happen when you add E in any word, right? जब आप किसी वर्ड के लास्ट में ई ऐड करते हो तो उससे पहले जितने लेटर्स होते हैं ना, उसमें जो वोवल्स होते हैं उसको हम उसकी लेटर नेम से रीड करते हैं. आफ्टर एडिंग ई वी विल नॉट रीड दैट विद लेटर साउंड, वी विल रीड दैट वोवल विद लेटर नेम. लाइक वी हैव वन वोवल इज ए, राइट? देन व्हाट इट बिकम? ए ड, ए ड, ए ड, मेड. Okay, this is the effect of the magic key. Okay children, now what you have to remember, आपको क्या याद रखना है बच्चों? आपको ये याद रखना है, when we add e in any word, then before e if any vowel is there, we will call that letter, that vowel by letter name, not by letter sound. Forget this thing, right? सो आपको ये चीज़ ध्यान रखनी है कि आपको लेटर नेम से रीड करना है और लेटर साउंड से रीड नहीं करना है. इसको आप भूल जाइए, दैट यू आर रीडिंग बाय द लेटर साउंड, दैट वोवल. ओके, नाउ अगेन वी हैव सेकेंड वर्ड. यू कैन सी ईटर, ईटर, सिट. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? सिट. इफ यू विल ऐड ई इन सिट, then firstly before e see eater, right? What is vowel here? Which is vowel here? This is I, right? And I says E, right? Then if you are adding E here, it will become sight. Sight. है ना? Sight. Okay children? Same thing is here. Curb. Curb. Okay? If you will add E in this, then we'll call it by, call it the given vowel by letter name. Cube. It's U. Cube. It will become cube. Okay, now see can. Can. Can, right? Then if you are adding e here, right, magic e, and the vowel is this, then we'll read it by using letter name, and the letter name is A. Cane. What is this? Cane. What it become? Cane. Okay children, please do more practice at your home of this thing, right? Now children, you need to open SR 19, okay, in your Alga 3, Alga 6 books of unit 4, right? So we are going to read here whole words. Okay, practice reading these words at home. Now I'll read. Everyone please speak with me. Do, him, make, always, ate, soon, another, behind, that, pull, did, were, best. Children, now I am showing you 3 flashcards, right? So let's start. Please listen to me very carefully. Let's start with this. What is this? Few. What is this? Few. Children, few means kuch, right? Few means kuch. Okay. Now the next is should. The next is should. Should means चाहिए. Should means चाहिए. Now the last is join. The last is join. Join करना, किसी चीज़ का हिस्सा बनना. Okay children? Children, please do practice for these words and try to make sentences on 3 new whole words that I told you. First is few, second is should, and the last is join. Please try to make sentences on these words, right? Now let's start children. Reading and listening comprehension. Okay children, in last unit you have learnt many times about sequence events, right, of the story. You all know that? I hope you all know very well. Okay, thank you. So children, can you tell me what are events? Please think, what are events? Children, what are events? Okay, very good. Now I am telling you children, events are what is happening in the story. Okay, I am again speak. Events are what is happening in the story, right? Means आप जो स्टोरी पढ़ रहे हो या आप किसी से सुन रहे हो या बोल रहे हो, तो उस स्टोरी में बेसिकली हो क्या रहा है, what is happening in the story, that is event, right? Events. Now tell me, how do we sequence events? हम उनको कैसे सीक्वेंस में ला सकते हैं? We sequence them as the beginning, middle and end, means last. Firstly you will see पहले क्या हुआ, what was happened first, then you will see उसके बाद क्या हुआ, that will come in the middle. First event will come in the beginning, right, and the last event will come in the end. Okay, so children, please revise these things from your book. You all have book, right? And children, now I am going to show you one story, Lion and the Mouse. Please listen to that story very carefully, right? Just a minute. Children, now I am going to play a story, so please watch it carefully, okay?
The Lion and the Mouse, an Aesop's fable with a focus on vocabulary. One day, a mighty lion, tired from hunting all morning, lay down to take a nap under a large, shady tree. Some mice that lived at the foot of the tree scrambled over the sleeping lion to return to their home. But just as the last mouse was crawling over him, the lion woke up. The lion laid his big paw on the little mouse, trapping him. The mouse was very afraid. He apologized to the lion for disturbing him and begged him to spare his life and let him go. The lion pitied the little mouse, so he lifted his paw and set the mouse free. Sometime later, the lion was walking near the mouse's home. The lion accidentally stepped on a trap set by a hunter, and a net made of thick ropes captured the lion and pulled him up into a tree. The lion struggled to free himself, but could not. His angry roars rumbled through the forest as he became upset and afraid. The mouse heard the lion's cries. Remembering the lion's kindness, the mouse ran to the tree and climbed up to the trap. He used his sharp little mouse teeth to gnaw through the thick ropes and set the lion free. The lion and the mouse were friends forever after. Both of them had learned that it is good to help someone who has helped you. Moral of the story: good deeds are rewarded.
Children, now arrange events in a sequence, okay? You all have heard the story of the lion and the mouse, okay? So, children, firstly beginning come, we all know that. Now see, events in a sequence. Please listen to me very carefully. Now see, the beginning event was, there is a lion and a mouse. Lion is hungry and looking for food. He sees a mouse and catches it to eat. This is the beginning, right? Now the middle is, mouse asks lion to let him go. He said he will help lion one day. Later the lion gets captured in a net. Lion roars loudly. Okay, this is the middle. Just a minute. Now the end. Mouse comes to help lion. It starts biting the net and frees the lion. They became friends. And children, these are the final beginning, middle and events of this story, okay? So please read it very carefully. Now I am showing you something. Children, do one thing. Take a screenshot of this table. Draw this table in your notebook, right? You have to draw this table in your notebook. And please complete it with the story of lion and the mouse. Okay, children? Children, now we are going to start grammar. Now all the students, please open SR1 in your Elga reader book, okay? Let's start with adverbs. Adverbs. Children, what are adverbs? Adverbs are words which describe actions. They tell us how much or why an action is being done, right? Children, adverb means, normally we all know that what are verbs. Verbs, the words that describe action words or verbs are called adverbs. Okay? And what are verbs that we do, that animals do, like we all run, eat, right? Go, come, skip, right? Sit, stand. These are the verbs. But when we talk about adverb, children, adverbs describe the verb. ठीक है? Adverb में आपको ये पता लगेगा, you can get this thing by the adverb, that how the action is being done. Action कैसे हो रहा है, कोई काम कैसे हो रहा है, right? Now you can see, please listen to me very carefully. Seema sits happily. Seema sits happily. सीमा बैठती है खुशी से, बिल्कुल हैप्पीली. अब देखो, इफ विल सी, जस्ट लिव इट हैप्पीली एंड सी सीमा सिट्स. सीमा बैठती है, द सिट्स इज वर्ब, बट इफ वी आर सेइंग सीमा सिट्स हैप्पीली, इट मीन्स जो हैप्पीली वर्ड है वो इस चीज़ को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि सीमा ने कोई एक्शन किया, खुशी से किया. समझ गए आप? नाउ यू कैन सी हियर, राम रन्स वेरी फास्ट. नॉर्मली हम देखें तो राम रन्स, राम दौड़ता है, लेकिन वो बहुत तेज़ी से दौड़ता है. तो जो वेरी फास्ट है वो एडवर्ब हुआ. क्या हुआ? एडवर्ब, जो हमें उस राम की जो वर्ब है उसको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है, उसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि राम बहुत तेज दौड़ता है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज, आई एम वेयरिंग अ स्वेटर सिंस इट इज़ कोल्ड. राइट, मतलब मैं स्वेटर पहन रहा हूँ जब से ठंड हो रही है ना. तो चिल्ड्रन, ये सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो आपके एडवर्ब होते हैं, जो नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग, फ्रॉम दीज 3 sentences what are action words? From these sentences you have to tell me what are action words. Action words means जो हम करते हैं, जो करते हैं, right? Now in this sentence the action word is sits. Okay, sits. Ram runs very fast. In this sentence the action word is runs. Okay, and in this sentence the action word is wearing. Okay, wearing. Now tell me, who is doing action? girl is doing this action, boy is doing this action, and he's doing this action, right? Now tell me, how is Rahul running, or how is Ram running? Ram is running very fast, you can see, right? So children, these are the things that you have to do practice for this, right? वर्ब होता है जो हम करते हैं, जो एक्शन होता है. एडवर्ब होता है जो आपको ये बताता है कि एक्शन, आपका जो एक्शन है वो किस तरह से हो रहा है, ठीक है? दैट इज एडवर्ब्स. Children, now please quickly open WS1 writing, right? Writing and speaking expression. Complete the table given below. This is the table that you have to complete. Children, now what you have to do? You have to think about one incident of your life, right? And you have to complete this table by that incident, okay? आपको एक स्टोरी के बारे में सोचना है या किसी इंसिडेंट के, कुछ हुआ हो आपके साथ, तो आपको उस स्टोरी से रिलेटेड इस WS1 को कंप्लीट करना है. फर्स्टली आएगा वेयर वाज दिस स्टोरी टेकिंग प्लेस. कहाँ स्टोरी, कहाँ की बात है, स्टोरी में किस प्लेस के बारे में बात हो रही है, राइट? उसी से रिलेटेड टू दैट you have to draw pictures here in all the columns. Second thing is who are in the story, who were in the story. स्टोरी में कौन कौन है उनका आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है, डिटेल्स लिखनी है. नाउ व्हाट वाज द प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉब्लम क्या थी, व्हाट डिड यू डू, फिर आपने क्या किया, हाउ वाज द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व, फिर प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व हुई. ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू हैव टू राइट बाय योर सेल्फ. आई विल नॉट टेल यू दिस थिंग, आई विल हेल्प यू व्हेन यू विल कंप्लीट, ओके? बट यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योर सेल्फ, ओके? Thank you so much. Now please learn all these things, read all the whole words that I shown you, right? And please complete this work. Thank you so much.